Scaling a supply chain business into a 9-figure enterprise requires more than just good products or services. It demands vision, adaptability, and the willingness to invest in people and innovation. Over the years, I've learned that integrating compassion, genuine concern for others, and a commitment to continuous learning generates both tangible and intangible returns on investment. These three elements not only strengthened our supply chain but also became the foundation of our exponential growth. 1. Flexibility is a strategic advantage. When our business faced early obstacles, flexibility proved to be more than a nice-to-have, it became a core strategy. The unpredictable nature of supply chain management means businesses must be ready to pivot quickly. We introduced vendor strategies with short and long-term options using 30-, 60- and 90-day payment terms. This gave us financial breathing room and the agility to deliver when others couldn't. This approach also enabled us to work efficiently with financing partners, making it possible to fulfill orders during crunch times without waiting for prepayments. By leveraging AI-driven analytics and predictive tools, we could better manage inventory, reduce waste, and meet demand accurately, resulting in faster deliveries and cost savings. We also minimized excess inventory by deploying dynamic inventory management systems. These systems allowed us to monitor stock in real time and reduce unnecessary shipping and storage costs. Lower transportation costs meant we could maintain competitive pricing without compromising quality. Weather-related and logistical delays are part of supply chain life. But because we invested in distribution centers strategically located near key customers, we could quickly shift and deploy resources to meet expectations. This combination of strategic foresight and operational flexibility built our reputation as a reliable supplier in an industry where trust is currency. 2. Real relationships drive real results. In a digital age dominated by automation, we've found that authentic relationships remain one of the strongest differentiators in business. I often refer to this as cultivating relational currency. It's the value created when we lead with empathy, understand the needs of others, and build meaningful, long-term connections. Strong relationships, whether with customers, vendors, or internal teams, form the backbone of successful supply chains. When a crucial component was needed urgently from a sole supplier, the relationship we had built allowed us to coordinate a delivery even while the supplier's main contact was on vacation. That's the power of relational capital. Leadership that prioritizes human connection builds trust and inspires loyalty. When employees feel supported and aligned with the company's mission, they are more likely to go the extra mile. The same applies to external partners. Treating people as collaborators rather than transactions fosters mutual respect and cooperation. While technology streamlines processes, the human element ensures we are adaptable, compassionate, and responsive to change. People want to work with those they trust. That trust becomes the foundation for resolving problems quickly and delivering consistent value. 3. Continuous learning fuels innovation. The most successful supply chains are built by teams that are constantly learning, testing, and adapting. In our company, a culture of continuous learning has driven improvements in operations, quality control, and risk management. We didn't limit ourselves to our industry. We explored adjacent sectors like sports and construction to understand how they handle challenges during their peak seasons. This gave us fresh insights and training ideas that helped us overcome our own bottlenecks. For instance, we learned to identify our industry's slow periods and used them to prepare for high demand times in others, enabling smoother transitions and added value. Investing in learning doesn't just improve systems, it develops empathy. It makes teams more aware of external pressures and more creative in solving internal problems. It equips leaders with the ability to anticipate obstacles and build contingency plans that are both realistic and actionable. In a fast-paced, ever-evolving environment, mental resilience and technological agility are essential. Tools like real-time tracking, route optimization, and AI-powered forecasting give businesses the edge to handle the unexpected. Final thoughts. Scaling a business to 9 figures isn't about following a strict formula, it's about aligning people, process, and purpose. By remaining flexible, building strong relationships, and committing to lifelong learning, any business can lay the foundation for sustainable growth in a volatile world.